Hey everyone! Welcome back. If you're preparing for your GED math exam, you've probably noticed that math can sometimes feel a bit abstract. But today, we're talking about one of the absolute best visual tools in all of mathematics, the number line. So, what is a number line? Think of it as a straight highway for numbers. Right in the middle, you have 0, your starting point. Everything to the right of 0 gets larger and positive. Everything to the left of 0 gets smaller and negative. Why is this so important for the GED? Because the GED loves to test how well you understand the value of numbers, especially when you have to compare fractions, decimals, and negative numbers. If you can read a number line, you can visualize any number problem. Before we jump into examples, here is the golden rule of number lines: pay attention to the spacing between tick marks. On some number lines, each tick mark counts by 1. On others, they might count by 2s, 5s, or even fractions like halves and quarters. To read any point on a number line, follow these 3 simple steps. Step 1, find 0, or your nearest labeled whole numbers. Step 2, determine the interval. Figure out what each tick mark represents. Step 3, count the steps from 0 or the nearest known mark. Let's try our first example. Look at this line. We see 0 in the middle, and tick marks spaced evenly by 1s. Where is point A located? First, start at 0. Second, notice point A is to the left of 0, which means it's negative. Third, count the ticks, 1, 2, 3 steps left. Point A is at -3. Easy, right? Now let's level up. What if you get a question with decimals? Look at this segment between 0 and 1. Notice there are 10 equal divisions between them. That means every single tick mark represents 1/10, or 0.1. Let's find point B. Start at 0. Count 7 tick marks to the right: 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7. Point B sits right at 0.7. Whenever you see 10 spaces between whole numbers, just think of counting by dimes. Fractions make a lot of test takers nervous, but the number line actually makes them simple. Look at the space between 1 and 2. Let's count how many spaces divide that section: 1, 2, 3, for equal parts. That means each space is 1/4. Where is point C? We are past 1, so our whole number is 1. Now count the extra fractional spaces. 1 step is 1/4. 2 steps is 2/4. 3 steps is 3/4. Point C is located at 1 3/4, or 1.75 in decimal form. You just broke down a fraction problem without stress. Let's quickly recap what we covered today. Number 1, movement matters. Right means positive and bigger. Left means negative and smaller. Number 2, find the scale. Always count the spaces between whole numbers first to know what each tick mark stands for. Number 3, take it step by step. Start at the nearest whole number and count forward or backward. Your practice challenge: draw a line on a piece of paper right now. Label 0 and 1, divide the space into 2 equal halves, and plot 0.5 and -1/2. Practicing by drawing your own lines is the fastest way to build confidence. If you want step-by-step guidance, full GED practice tests, and video lessons that break down math into plain English, we've got you covered. Head over to smartkyddconcepts.learnworlds.com and enroll in our GED preparation courses today. Take control of your study journey and get ready to pass that test with confidence. Thanks for watching, keep practicing, and I'll see you in the course.